Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and size comparison of the brand new shiny Asus ROG Phone 2. I don't remember when was the last time I had an Asus phone, simply because they're just not my cup of tea. I believe it was a weird folding Windows phone like from 2007, something like that. But anyway, this phone, however, is definitely quite interesting simply because it's still not available anywhere apart from China, and that's where I got my unit from. And the most interesting thing about it is the price, 500 British pounds or 550 bucks, guys, which is absolutely crazy because when it's available in the US, is going to retail for 900 bucks, and in the UK I can imagine 900 no, 1000 pounds depending on Brexit. So yeah, let's have a look at the quick specifications at the back of the box and then unbox this bad boy. Now the absolute highlight of this phone, 6.6-inch 1080p AMOLED screen at 120 Hz, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Snapdragon 855 Plus, which essentially is an overclocked Snapdragon 855. I've got the base version with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. I think it goes up to 1 terabyte, but this is gonna cost an arm and leg. What else do you have? The cameras are quite upgraded compared to the last year's model. At the back, 48 megapixel camera plus 13 megapixel ultra wide. At the front, 24 megapixel selfie, which is great. 6000 milliamp hours of battery inside these beast, guys, and under the glass fingerprint reader and wireless charging, reverse charging, and stereo speakers. So an absolute beast. Let me do just the unboxing over here and see what we've got in the box. First impressions, the box is quite nice, to be honest with you. Let's see what do we have inside, guys. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Right, ROG. To be completely honest with you, I'm not a typical gaming type of person. I've got no idea what ROG stands for, but that doesn't matter because this phone is not specifically only for gamers, it's for regular people as well, because when it comes down to specifications, nobody can actually beat this phone. A few instruction manuals over here. Let me see. We've got a case, which is always a welcome bonus, guys. Let's see what kind of case do we have over here. Right, all right, nice semi kind of flexible plastic case, which I'm going to try in a second. Let's drop this stuff over here. Oh man, this is the phone itself. I'm gonna check it on the side like that. And what else do we have in the box, guys? A quick charging charger and USB Type-C cable, pretty much nothing else. Let's see for any hidden compartments over here. No, unfortunately, that's about it, guys. All right, so far so good. A quick charger out of the box and a case. Let's check this stuff over here and let's unwrap this baby. Oh yeah. And apparently somebody touched it before that. Check these fingerprints, guys. This is not actually very nice, but yeah, what can you do? I mean, there's always a risk when you buy a phone from China. I can imagine that they've installed Google Play services. I hope they did. But see, we'll see. Now, what do we have? I believe these are the trigger buttons over here, guys. On the sides, we've got the special touch buttons. I can imagine a power button. Let me power this baby on. Okay, Republic of Gamers. All right. On the side, we've got this special port over here, covered by a thick piece of rubber to prevent water and grease coming in. And check this out, guys. It's a dual port USB Type-C plus some weird looking port. That's probably for the fan attachment that you can buy separately, which I'm not going to be doing for now, to be honest with you. And the other thing which I find rather peculiar is, check this out. At the back you've got that 48 megapixel quad bar, whatever that means. The SIM tray is over here. Oh, okay, I felt the vibration. It's quite alright. And what else? That's kind of a glass back. This logo is supposed to shine over here, guys, but overall the phone is quite shiny and quite tall. These are my first impressions of this phone, and when you put the case in like that, let's see what happens, guys. Okay, right, so the case is nice. It doesn't add too much bulk to the overall size, but I definitely like it. United Kingdom. I'm gonna do the setup a little bit later on, but now let's just compare it to a few other phones, guys. Let's see what do I have on deck over here. Very quickly, the Huawei P Smart Z, actually yes, Huawei P Smart Z, the cheapest pop-up camera phone on the market right now, considerably bigger, but keep something else in mind, you don't have the notch over here, so that's definitely a positive. What else? I've got the Oppo. Oh, I'm starting to forget the models, guys. Oppo Reno Z. Yes, that's a little bit smaller one. Of course, another Oppo. This is the Find X. This is a little bit bigger, actually. So I'm gonna place it over here. I've got the K20 Pro. Probably one of the most beautiful phones of this year. And I've got the LG G8 over here, guys. You can see that size-wise, the LG G8 is quite smaller than this phone, actually. And last but not least is my latest addition to the collection, the Smartisan Nut Pro 2S, which has huge screen as well, and again is smaller. So pretty much there's nothing on the market which is bigger than this particular phone, guys. But man, check this out. This is so shiny. I like it. I can totally not see what's going on the screen because the sun is shining directly on my screen, but I can see that you can actually catch that on camera, guys. This one is plastic, and to be honest with you, it feels a little bit on the cheap. I've got no idea what it is. Probably it's the vents. But anyway, guys. So yeah, give me a few weeks. I'm going to do a detailed review of this phone. Let me know what game do you want me to do a gaming test on, and do you want me to do a speed test with the Redmi K20 Pro? Let me know in the comments section down below. And actually, if you've got any kind of question about this phone, ask me in the comments. I'm going to try to reply to everybody. I know that there's a bunch of accessories which come with this phone, which are going to be quite expensive, but unfortunately they're sold separately, and I really don't feel like spending my hard-earned money on any kind of accessories. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the review a few weeks from now.